Chomco LA has a number of methods to inform management staff, employees, and visitors of operational and emergency type notifications. I'd like to discuss two in this video. Both are simple to use, but one has more sophisticated capabilities. Physical bells, or buzzers, activated at a scheduled time, are a perfect solution to indicate a break time, lunchtime, or shift change. This system involves physical bells that are tethered to a bell controller. The straightforward software that accompanies this product allows the creation of multiple schedules. The schedules are downloaded to the controller, and the bells are wired to the controller and will ring at the precise time. A more comprehensive approach is Informacast software. This software and the on-premise and off-premise devices that it works with make communications all-encompassing, efficient, and streamlined. Devices include such things as desk phones, computers, speakers, and cell phones. Factory operational issues, such as the signaling of an event like a break, lunch break, or shift change, are easily accomplished through Informacast. The tones can be played to an individual speaker, a group of speakers, or the whole plant. Emergency notifications, such as a manufacturing line stop or other problem, can be announced with the push of a button, notifying all concerned parties. In fact, the line stop button itself can be integrated into the Informacast system, streamlining resolution, getting production back online, and minimizing business costs. Informacast allows different levels of integration and can include such items as an eye wash for when an accident happens. All man-made or weather situations are addressed with this solution. Chomco LA helps leverage the tools already in place at factories or warehouses to improve efficiency and keep employees and visitors safe. For more information, give us a call at 800-964-5749 or click the Quick Quote button.